Kumusta guys, Rishi here and welcome back to the channel. So today I have for you guys a couple of gameplays with the brand new Marksman Rifle, the SPR208. So I actually recorded this gameplay here on my global account since Garena got the seasonal update at around 3 p.m. So I grinded out the weapon here on global as soon as it came out, and I was in a rush of recording a gameplay since I had classes to attend to. So I have two gameplays for you guys, one with a scope and one without a scope, and of course I'm gonna be showing you guys the build after each gameplay. I do advise against using the 6x scope for the SPR, since it does cover up the middle of your screen and you can barely see the middle of your crosshair, as you can see right now. I do hope they'd fix that and move the weapon further to the right so you can see your crosshair. But with that said, hope you guys do enjoy the gameplay. Hit like and subscribe. We're trying to reach 500 subs by the end of 2021. That's enough from me. Let's get into the gameplay.
We're capturing Alpha. Enemy taking Charlie. We captured A. UAV recon ready for deployment. Hunter-killer drone on standby. We've taken the lead. We're capturing B. UAV online. Losing Alpha. We're capturing C. Lost Alpha. We captured Bravo. Predator missile awaiting orders. Captured C. Changing mag. Losing C. Counter UAV is up. Good work. Capturing C. Predator missile inbound. Capturing A. We lost C. UAV online. We're capturing C. Headshot. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Enemy contact. Enemy down. Friendly XS-1 Goliath incoming. Capturing C. UAV recon ready for deployment. Capturing Bravo. Enemy has A. Enemy down. We lost the lead. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Tango down! Predator missile on standby. Enemy down! Tango down! Changing mag. Friendly Predator missile inbound. Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment. UAV online. Predator missile awaiting orders. Reloading! Tango down! Enemy down! I'm hurt! I'm hurt! Time for the lead. UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. UAV online. We've taken the lead. Enemy down! We lost Bravo. Need backup. They're hurting. Keep fighting. Target down. It's too close. Fight harder. Counter UAV is up. Good work. Be advised. Hostile. Get up, team. We captured Bravo. Hunter-killer drone deployed. I'm hurt. I'm hurt. Losing Charlie. Tango down. Reloading. Cover me. Lost Charlie. Capturing Alpha. UAV recon ready for deployment. Losing Bravo. We're capturing C. Hunter killer drone on standby. We captured C. We lost the lead. Enemy taking B.
Target down!
Enemy has Bravo. UAV recon ready for deployment. We're capturing A. UAV online. We're capturing Bravo. Losing Charlie. We're being dominated. Take those positions. Lost C. Hunter killer drone ready for deployment.
Target's inside! Target down!
Predator missile inbound. Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed. Hostile care package inbound. Set up. Hunter killer drone deployed. Failing this mission. Capturing Bravo. UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. UAV online. Hunter killer drone on standby. We captured Bravo. Stealth chopper inbound. Losing A. Losing C. Friendly sentry gun deployed. We're capturing B. We lost Charlie. We captured B. Stealth chopper destroyed.
Headshot! Need backup! Target down!
That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit like, subscribe, smash that bell icon, leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Happy grinding!